In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename plans in Stack. To begin, we'll start by navigating to the Stack login page. Once there, you'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to log in. Select the option to log in with Google, as it is a quick and secure way to access your account without the need to remember yet another password. After you've logged in, you'll see a range of options related to your projects. Locate and click on your specific project. This action will take you to the main page where you manage your projects. Here you'll see a tab labeled Plans and Takeoffs. Click on this tab to proceed further. It's your gateway to managing all the plans you've been working on, and it's where we'll make our changes today. Within the Plans and Takeoffs section, you'll notice a list of folders. To rename a folder, focus on the specific plans folder you want to change. Find the three small dots next to the folder's name. They're your go-to for additional options. Clicking on these dots will reveal a menu that includes the option to rename the folder. Additionally, should you need to, you can choose to create a new folder within another, or even delete a folder if it's no longer necessary. Perhaps you need to organize your plans further. Stack allows you to create new folders with ease. Simply click on the Create Folder option within the same menu. A small dialog box will appear, prompting you to type in the name for your new folder. Be as descriptive as you need to be. This makes finding your plans quicker and helps keep things organized. And what if you want to move a plan into a specific folder? Stack makes this simple too. Just click, hold, and drag the plan into your desired folder. Dropping it there will organize it as you intend. This intuitive design makes organizing plans effortless. If you find yourself no longer needing a particular folder, deleting it is straightforward. Again, go to those three dots next to the folder's name, which you'll recall gives you several options. This time choose Delete Folder. A confirmation will pop up, ensuring that this is indeed the action you want to take. Should you wish to proceed, just click Delete, and the folder will be removed from your list. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so proceed with caution to avoid any accidental deletions. By following these steps, you've now mastered how to rename, create, move, and delete folders or plans in Stack, adding a layer of organization and efficiency to your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has enhanced your ability to manage project plans with ease.